Let me show you the 3 easy steps you need to clean your Rolex. And don't worry, you don't need any water. So first, I like to take a look at the watch and see how dirty it is. As you can see, there's no shine. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make sure that the bezel is locked. Next, what I like to do is I like to take the cloth, in this case, put it on top, just to get ready for the foam. Second, we're gonna put foam on the watch. We're gonna foam it. We're gonna let it settle for a few seconds. If you're impatient, go ahead, go for it. Here, we'll go for it. We're impatient today. And with this beautiful brush, as you can see, you have a wave brush. So it's going in between all the bezel, the links, in between all the creases. It's where all the dirt gets stuck. Again, you don't need any water. Yes, it's a Submariner. Yes, I understand it's waterproof. You wanna throw it in the pool, you can, but we're talking about cleaning here. We're talking about cleaning. So again, go around, same thing here. Obviously the clasp is where it gets used the most. I also like to go on the inside. And as mentioned, no water. All you have to do now is dry it off. The beautiful thing about this foam, it's also skin friendly. So if it gets on your hands, don't worry. And it smells amazing. It's not gonna smell like any chemicals or anything. So you could see some dirt while drying it off. I like to go again. Clean the clasp, clean from the inside. Cleaning and filming, it's a new talent you have to do. But just showing you guys everything. And get ready, because you can see the shine. This is crazy how shiny it's gonna be. And clean. Again, look at all this dirt that you think you don't see, but you could see it. And then now comes the moment of truth. You want also, the kit comes with this nice gift, which is a microfiber. You could do one last thing, which is just dry it out. And as you can see, look how shiny and clean the watch is. Look at this. Look at the shine everywhere. Look at the shine and how clean the watch is inside, outside. That's simple. No water needed. And again, safe on the hands. I use my hands, no gloves, no nothing. And there you have it. Check out the kit at bigmocleaningkit.com.